Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we'll be talking about the Spigen thin fit case for the iPhone 13 Pro. So recently we did the hands-on with the Spigen Air case, which is a really solid case. Now we have another one, the Spigen thin fit case. It's a TPU and polycarbonate material, and this comes in different colors. We have the blue variant with us, so this is the one. It supports iPhone 6.1 inches, that's 2021 variant, the iPhone 13 Pro, and this is priced around 1200 rupees in India, and we'll share the link in the description. The Amazon link will share. So you can see here, thin fit case, polycarbonate, and navy blue is the color. So it's very slim and pretty easy to hold. It's not a thicker one like the Air case. So we'll open the case and see how it looks. So this is the case. So let's just take it out. So there you go. That's the thin fit case from Spigen. You can see that it definitely feels very slim and lightweight too, and you can also see that the cut for these things are pretty well integrated. You can see that the camera area, and this is kind of polycarbonate material, while this is a TPU material, so it's a combination of both. And you can see how neatly the integration is made between the polycarbonate and the TPU, and the buttons have really good feedback. Here also you can see that the buttons have really good feedback, and there is also a pretty good opening for the alert slider, and you also get a pretty neat cut for the speaker, the USB Type-C port, and the other options. So you can also see the camera. You can see that there is a raised protection for the camera, and this also looks good. It is pretty solid in terms of texture and finishing. It's a very smooth finishing, matte finishing. You get the Spigen branding. Inside you get this finishing rubberized material, the TPU material. It feels really solid actually, and you can also see that the cuts are made pretty well. So this is our iPhone 13 Pro. So let's just insert this. So there you go. So now we have inserted it, and it feels really nice. So that's a Spigen thin fit case, and looks really good in terms of finishing, and it's pretty lightweight as well. It doesn't add bulkiness to the device. You can see here there is a slight raised option here to protect the display as well, and for the camera also there is a raised protection. And overall fit and finish and quality looks really good. That's something which is pretty good for most of the Spigen cases. So here also you get a really good case, and it does add a pretty good grip to the device too. So that's the Spigen thin fit kit. Now, so next let's see if this supports wireless charging. So that's something which we need to try. So we have the wireless charger, and you can see now charging has started. So it supports wireless charging as well. So this is one good investment. It's just 1200 rupees in India, and works pretty well. Solid case, gives good protection also, and this is a polycarbonate material, while here you get a TPU material. So that's the Spigen thin fit case for iPhone 13 Pro. So if you plan to buy this, we'll share the link in the description of this video. You can buy it from Amazon India. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.